I am getting ready to build some crossovers because I am very bored. No, actually, it's for a job for a customer, but check it out. Yeah, some JBL crossovers. Got some brand new parts to go in there. Very interesting. Got some new switches. And we got some brand new parts. Yeah, I'm going to solder all this in there today. Can't wait. Actually, I'm being lazy. I'm procrastinating on doing it. Instead, I'm doing stupid videos, which I should be doing this instead of something that actually makes money. That's what I should be doing. Oh well. I don't know. I'm just being retarded. Y'all have a nice day.